Alright guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning, and spoke to my buddy Crick yesterday. He said he can make something work for the ankle kit. So Crick's always down to help. I just hate bugging people, especially Crick. He's always working. So I'm gonna definitely take him up on this one today. And we gotta take off the control arm, take him the control arm and the spindles, and you guys will see all of the work here. Alrighty, so we got everything off. So all the mess right there, deal with it when we get home. Time to wash our hands and get headed to Sonoma Raceway. So we're on our way to Sonoma Raceway. I don't know what's going on over here. You guys are all, that's a nice truck. It's broke down though. So we're on our way to Sonoma Raceway. Crick has a shop over there. Crick does some crazy fab work, but the guy is always super busy, so I hate bothering him. I hate bothering people when I know they're busy, you know, because it's like I've definitely taken time out of their day. But I don't want to wait 2 weeks to get this fixed, so I want to try to get it going today so I can fit my front end on there, so I can get my front end sprayed during the week. What I mean by sprayed, painted, obviously. Have it all painted during the week while I'm at work, and then put it all back together on Friday. My car should be hopefully all back in one piece. We'll see if it goes as planned. Not sure if it is, but that's what the plan is. shout out to Crick. He made a sleeve that goes inside that, I don't even know what it's called, but for the bolt, you know, to be able to fit in there. And he made it with the right tools, you know, he got all the proper stuff going in there. So shout out to him, hooked me up, got me in and out of there. Now I'm headed to San Jose. I have to drop off a carbon hood. I have a Maverick Man carbon hood that I bought. I literally bought a wrecked car for a little nothing for just the hood, because I knew somebody could fix it. And the hoods are hard to come by, so I want to fix it for the Ute, and they say they can bring the hood back. So I'll show you guys what the hood looks like. You guys tell me what you guys think. Can they bring it back? They say they can. I don't know. This thing's pretty whooped. We'll see. So we dropped off the hood to North Bay Carbon Fiber, and we're gonna see what he can do. If it comes out well, then I'm gonna bring him all my GTO stuff, because I have a GTO diffuser that's kind of broken. I have my hood on my GTO, it's kind of messed up, but this hood is for the Ute. So I hope it comes out well, and then the Ute will be matching kind of with the GTO, you know. And yeah, now we're gonna go pick up some headlights and then head home and probably work back on the GTO. That's that sedan up there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can get up there. I'm not sure who this is. Well, I drove all the way from San Jose to South San Francisco. Sounds pretty good. Drove all the way from San Jose to South San Francisco to pick up these headlights, because the guy said that they were perfect GTO headlights. Hard to find perfect GTO headlights, and sure enough, they were messed up pretty bad. Waste of my time. I wouldn't even pay 50 bucks for them. So now, headed to get some food and then headed home. So I'm not going to film the process of putting it all back together, because you guys seen all that yesterday. This one's already on. It hits right now, right there. But I feel like with the weight on the car, obviously all this is going to come up. So this will clear, you know? That's just when the car's, when it's all the way extended. It'll hit there. But what Crick made was a sleeve to go inside of there, so that the bolt will sit in there. And also that way, so that if I ever break that control arm or something, I can still use this control arm and the other spindle that I have. So, shout out to Crick, he made that happen. I think I already gave him a shout out. I'll put his Instagram somewhere down there. And yeah, he does some crazy dope fab work, so you guys get at him. So that night, Saturday, I was able to put the car back together. It's back on the floor. For the strut tower, where the shot goes, I have to make a plate that I need to weld on there. So Marcus Fry's going to laser cut me out a plate so we can put that on there. But the car's all back down. I have new tie rods. Pretty much everything is new. But unfortunately, I broke my leg on Sunday, which is my helmet there. It's all dirty. On Sunday on a motorcycle accident. And this thing's going to be on hold for a while. I broke my tibia and fibula, and I messed up the bottom of my joint of the knee. So they had to fix all that, and they're telling me 12 weeks till I could put pressure on it. So unfortunately, I won't be working in the garage till then. I guess you guys will see more of, I'll see what type of content I can come up with while being broken, you know. So I do have videos of the whole hospital visit and kind of everything that went down the day it went down. I just don't know if I want to post it. They had me on so many meds, so it's kind of, I hate seeing myself that way. But I might just post it up. I'll show you guys, I might show you guys down the road. We'll see.